Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. In this video, firstly, let's analyze both the market indexes to see whether it will continue its upside momentum or there are any chances of correction. But before that, if you are new here, subscribe for regular updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market, on the notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Also, after watching this video, if you think it has helped you in any way, then please do not forget to hit the like button to show your support. We will start with DFM market index. I'm on the weekly chart. We can see a strong rally from 3730. It's making nice bullish price action. But the weekly candle for DFM market index is not looking promising. We are seeing selling pressure coming in right at the resistance area, that is 4140. So on the weekly chart, we are seeing for more than a month, market is climbing up after taking a pause right here, that is at 4000 area, that was psychological and technical resistance area. This was taken out and from here we are seeing a rally to the upside. Now let's go down to daily and see how the market is looking. Here we can see some signs of weakness, but still trend is intact. Market consolidated right here around 4080 points, that was resistance. I was expecting a correction. I had also mentioned about this area in my previous update. The best part is market started going sideways and it broke the resistance. For now, there are chances that it's coming back for a retest. This was the previous resistance area, as we know. Let me highlight again. This is resistance, that is 4083, and now we are seeing it has almost retested this area. So what do we want to see is a continuation to the upside, or it should either go sideways here to establish a base exactly how we saw in this zone. This would be healthy for the market. But in case now if market wants to come down for a deeper correction, then we can see 4060 points and then strong area of support at 4030 points. Yes, there are chances slowly and steadily it can come down to retest support areas. There is a possibility. But in case if it wants to climb up from here, say for example, if it wants to continue its upside momentum, then we have this area of hurdle, that is 4140 points. Once this is taken out, then obviously we will see a new high very soon. So this was DFM market index. Overall, it's still bullish. It's in an uptrend. A correction is expected, but I think very soon it will continue its upside momentum. Let's check out Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. This is the weekly chart of ADX market index and we are seeing a similar kind of bull run from this area, that is 9245. We saw a strong push and then it corrected itself. This is positive because after every move or after every big move, if market corrects itself, this is a good sign that market is adjusted. So from here, that is 9400, we again saw a rally till about 9850, that is almost near to the previous resistance, that is at 9885. On the weekly chart, ADX market index is not showing any signs of weakness. We are seeing for the last 3 weeks ADX market is printing green candles. Next area of hurdle is at 9000 points. So there are good chances it can either hit the resistance then go sideways to correct itself, or maybe it wants to start correcting from the current area itself. Something very important to notice here is this area is tested twice, that is 9000, and both this time we saw rejection. Right from this zone when it was trying to break, we saw rejection coming in. Again for the second time when it tried to break, we saw a deeper correction. It means market is still rejecting 9000 points. This was a clear double top chart pattern that is bearish. Now let me go down to daily and see how does the chart look. Here we are seeing red candle printed after 6 green days. So still this is positive, no harm, but now it's ready for a correction. Most likely we can see it coming down till about 9760 area. Maybe if it comes down to take support from here, then we can see a new high. Otherwise, if it wants to come for a deeper corrections, then we already have our marked zones. We have 9725, 9685, 9650 area as well. Remember, recent rally started from this area, that is 9650. So this area is strong support. Yes, again, there are chances it can come down for a deeper correction and then maybe it can make a high, or possibly it can even go lower from here. Overall, market trend is up. I think after a correction, we will see a new high. Many of you had commented and requested for Empower, so here is my analysis. I am on the daily chart. Slowly and steadily, Empower is rising up. Lows are shifting up, but still it's not in an uptrend. Yes, we can safely draw the trend line, but for now we can see it has tested area of resistance. This zone is resistance area that is between 1.85 to 1.90, and we can see a clear-cut rejection. Volume is also increasing. In case if it opens with a gap down or even with a flat opening, there are chances it will come down to retest 1.75, that will be near the trend line, and then maybe if we can see a bounce from here, it may try to break the resistance area. But for now, overall, if we see Empower is still in a downtrend, strong area of resistance is right here. Previously, market made a zone here. We can see this was the range that it was trading in. And then from here, we saw a strong drop to the downside till about 1.55. Yes, it recovered almost 100%, but again, the same scenario, we are seeing rejection. But this time, it did not come back at the same area. It bounced off from 1.60. That is the reason I'm saying lows are now shifting. Previously, this was the low at 1.60, new low is at 1.64, and now at 1.70. So lows are shifting up. This is a good sign that this stock is gaining momentum. But at the same time, watch out if you have already bought the stock at the lower areas, then this is a good place to book some profits. But at the same time, if you have bought it for long term, then yes, you can continue holding it because Empower is very strong fundamentally. Definitely, you can expect upside momentum. And top of it, they also give out good dividends. I think DR is now ready for a correction. The reason is, let me go up to weekly chart, and here we can see a parabolic move. See, rally have started from 0.550 without any break. It's just climbing up. We did not see any correction phase. We are seeing all green candles for more than 2 months. Yes, there are chances it may come down to retest strong support area that is at 0.680. If this does not hold, it can even come down till about 0.660. But on the daily chart, we can see it has tested this area 3 times, that is 0.705 area. Whenever price goes lower, there are buyers waiting here, they push the price higher. Even in Friday's session, in fact, even in Thursday's session, we saw it came down till 3.05 and then somehow it managed to close higher. If you're planning for fresh entries, then you will only have to buy it above 0.727. In case if you have bought it, if price goes below 0.05, then it's good time to book some of your profits because there are chances it may even come lower. So guys, this was the quick update. Do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.